Good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at this price here, which is AUD USD. So let's try and see what this price will be moving for the next day, which is 22. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Now, when you take a look at this AUD USD, right, we can clearly see that we are making one move, which is an uptrend move. So if you take a look at this move, you clearly can see that this is an impulse move. So if you were following this channel consistently, you would have seen how we told you that a very much we will have a pullback at this level, right? Price once came to this same level and a pullback was made. The price came again to this level, broke above it a little bit, right? And now we've gotten a pullback, a drop. Now we would be expecting the same movement, or we like call it similar movement on this AUD USD. So we expect this AUD USD to actually go up again, kind of probably giving us like an head and shoulder pattern if you want to take it sit that way. So it should be something like this, an impulse move here. We consider price reacted here. Then once price came down, also price came up, break above this previous highs, which here now formed this level here now formed the head if you want to see it. Then we are now expecting another ice to be made. So we are at least expect this ice to actually take out this level I have highlighted, which is a level of 0.68430. So I mean, will I say throughout till next week, right? At least we should be able to get there. So AUD above all, we would want to see it actually spike up to hit this level. Then once it gets to that level, then we expect a drop again on this AUD USD. That should now look something like an head and shoulder pattern. So that's what we are having for. We can see that price has was rejected here, right? I do tell you guys that, especially if you are following this channel consistently, I do say that if price have reacted to a level previously multiple times and price gets to that same level again, we expect price to actually react to that level again. So we've gotten a reaction here, one, we've gotten a reaction here twice, right, two times, and now we expect price to actually react here. So therefore, we expect another bullish move. So another reason why we will be seeing a bullish move on AUD USD. Now let's take a look at what this 4-hour time frame says. So I think we are kind of having like an uptrend move on the 4-hour time frame, right? So this will be an impulse move. Then here will be a correction, then a new impulse move. Then we should consider this to be a pullback or a correction. After that, we should expect a new high. So for the next day, we should see this AUD as a break above this high. So this previous highs needs to be broken. So new highs will be made. So above all, AUD USD, we are expecting bullish move. Secondly, we can see that this price is trading above our moving average on the 4-hour time frame. I think we should also go ahead to trade with the moving average, especially on the on the 4-hour time frame. So go ahead to go long. And the 1-hour time frame, you can clearly see these movements. You can see higher highs, pull back, new higher highs, pull back, new higher highs, pull back. So I mean, it will not make sense for it to just go ahead to sell, right? It will not make sense. Since we are having this higher highs and higher lows on the 1-hour time frame, it also makes sense for us to go ahead to take the long movement. And we can also see it still trading above this moving average. So AUD USD, we should expect a bullish move.